Hi, this is PR Sundar. Welcome to Post Market Report, sponsored by Delta.Exchange. Yesterday, for the first time, the markets fell. Nifty fell more than 100 points. That itself, nobody understood why. And I told you the Nifty technically long now. But after that, nothing great movement has come. When 24,382 crossed, I think about 1 week, 10 days before, I said it's long. The Nifty struggled to close about 24,600. It's just hardly 200 points. And yesterday fall was not expected, but again, the follow-through selling has happened today. And morning, what has actually happened, although other stocks fell, banking stocks were in green. At some point of time, I saw Nifty was down 0.5% and Bank Nifty was higher by 0.5%. Then came this news, Tata news, that Tata Sons chairman, Chandrasekhar, may not like to continue when his term ends. And when this news came, all the Tata Group stocks started falling, and TCS especially fell more than 5%. If you look at the last 15 to 30 days time, it is actually the IT stocks that took the market higher. TCS from around 2,000 rupees, it has come to 2,500 rupees. That's a rally of about 25%. And that is the main reason why Nifty decisively crossed the earlier range of 23,800 to 24,300. And today, when all the auto stocks started, Tata stocks started falling, and Nifty at some point of time even broke 24,300. Earlier I told you the Nifty is long when Nifty closed about 24,380. So which means that logically it should not fall below. But of course this kind of news, the intraday is not counted. On a closing basis, Nifty should not close below 24,380. But I think it did not close. I was busy with some other work. I did not monitor the market. But we have to see exactly at 315 where the Nifty closed. And 315 to 330, this is closing auction session and this and that, And nowadays, it's becoming very difficult to read the chart also. Somebody has to create a new candlestick with 315 as the closing time. So I think it closed about 24,380. So that means there is still some hope for the bulls. But today reaction was a very, very violent reaction. And the bulls, I told you last time, this technical, if 3, 4, 5 times fail, but ultimately one time it should be successful by huge margin. That means, if Nifty is long, it should rally about 1,000 to 1,500 point at least. Or if it breaks down, it should fall at least 1,000 to 1,500 points. But that has not happened once again. So therefore, right now, the situation is that market is still consolidating. And I told you this consolidation, the broader range will be 24,200 to 24,800 for this week. That is today is Wednesday. So we have 4 more trading sessions for the weekly series. And then 24,000 to 25,000 for monthly series. So this market is not going to go anywhere. The inflation data came. So the inflation data was slightly better than expected. It's higher than the last month, but slightly better than expected. But of course, GIFT Nifty is not going to react much. People are waiting for the US inflation data, which will be coming around 6 p.m. So I'm shooting this video even before that. So anyway, so this market is going in for a very, very, very long consolidation. Just imagine 24,000 was the level on April 8, Nifty closed. And today, sometimes, it has broken even 24,300 on the downside. So that means, it's hardly 1% return from April 8 to today, August 12. So So May, June, July, August. So 4 months, not even 1% return. So logically speaking, even the bank FD, assuming that it is 8%, so for 4 months, that should give at least 3% return, 2.5 to 3%, somewhere in between. So I told you this market is not going to give even bank FD return, over a longer period of time. So that is likely to continue. So anyway, the last 1 hour or 2 hours rally, a very, very, very impressive rally. Sensex, I think, shot up more than 400 points from day's low. I think Nifty also shot up. In fact, even when the Nifty was falling, the Nifty future did not fall that much. I think at some point of time, I've seen Nifty was falling 150 points, but Nifty future was falling only 100 points. So that means people who are playing in futures, they know that, this is a knee-jerk reaction, the markets will recover. So by the same expectation, end of the day, the market has recovered. So let us see. So what's going to happen? So we'll see where is the inflation data, how the US market is going to go. Then tomorrow we will discuss. But now I feel that 24,600 itself is going to be a great resistance. So what I did morning, the 24,600 I sold for around 80 rupees something. So that means my upper break will be 24,700. That's because, I have a lot of put options. So that's why. So otherwise, 24,200 to 24,800. So that's the range. So hope you enjoyed watching this video. Thank you for watching.